Eto na, CrypTito here again, back with another video. And today, pag-uusapan natin how to trade on BitYard. Especially, yung bagong labas nila na USDT Perpetual. Alright, before anything else, make sure na naka-like, share, at subscribe ka na dito sa YouTube channel ko. Also, make sure to hit the notifications bell icon para updated ka sa mga future updates, technical analysis, reviews, at giveaways ko dito sa YouTube. Alright, so pag-uusapan natin ngayon how to trade dito kay BitYard. Okay, by the way, if wala ka pang BitYard, yung sign up link is nandyan sa my description box. So just click that and all you need is email and or phone number, then create your password, and then that's it. Also, if you want to learn more about BitYard before you decide to trade, make sure to check also my BitYard video reviewing everything that you need to know kay BitYard. Eto na. So with BitYard, you can do spot trading or holding ng tokens and derivatives, yung futures trading. Ang maganda dito sa BitYard, meron kang option to trade crypto, commodities like crude oil, copper, gold, silver, at forex. Yung mga currencies like AUD, EUR, USD. So, something like that. That comes in this light futures nila. Meron ding inverse perpetual. Dito pwede kang mag-trade not using USDT but your Bitcoin or your XRP, your DOT or your XRP. Okay? Kumbaga coins mo yung pinang-margin mo dito. Now, they just released USDT perpetual, which is, for me, it's a hybrid eh. Dito yung mga features na wala dito kay light features kaya light eh. Yung mga walang features dito kay light andito sa USDT perpetual. Okay? So, tingnan natin. First, let's check yung light. Okay? Para lang makita nyo yung difference. So, ito yung light. Andito yung mga coins. Andito yung chart. Andito yung leverage. Okay? Dito, pwede mong iset yung stop loss mo na by default. Okay? Andito yung default na stop loss mo at take profit. Meron ditong overnight. Okay, overnight is sa BitYard kasi nagre-reset yung position ng 5:55 AM Manila time. So pag umabot ng 5:55 PM, lahat ng position mo mako-close. Kung gusto mong tuloy-tuloy lang, you need to turn on or switch on this overnight. Tuloy-tuloy yung trading mo. Pero of course, sisigaling ka nila ng transaction fee. Pero maliit lang naman, 0.005% lang naman. Also, close and order confirm, open order confirm. Ito yung tatanungin ko muna, sigurado ka bang i-close mo na, i-open mo na. So, something like that. Right, leverage. Ito, adjustan ng leverage. Limit. Okay, limit is yung mag-aantay ka ng sundo ng price based on your TA. Market is, ang bibilin mo or ang entry mo is yung current price. Right? Pang-select ng margin, pwedeng $2. Dito sa BitYard, as low as $2, pwede ka nang mag-start mag-trade. So, $2, pwede mong i-add 10 plus 50 plus 100. Depende sa margin mo. Okay? Right? Ito, tapos after mo malagay yan, let's say $2, pwede mong i-hit yung long or short. Mamaya gawin natin yan. So, ito, I turned on the overnight. Okay? Tapos, andito yung total. Now, meron ditong selection ng live. Okay? Live, kasi meron ditong demo account. Ito yung isa sa kagandahan sa BitYard. Kung wala ka pang cash in, pwede ka mag-practice trade using demo account. With demo account, bibigyan ka na ng 100,000 USDT. Play body lang to You can practice your trading with this money. Okay? So, 99998 na lang yan kasi nag-demo ako kahapon. So, that's something that is good for beginners. Okay? Also, ito yung mga for copy trading. Yung copy trading, i-discuss natin sa future updates or future videos. Alright, so try tayo mag-demo. Let's say 50% or yan, 50 leverage. Okay, so let's say 200. Okay, plus 10. And then long or short, sige, bearish yung pattern yun. So short tayo. Okay. So, ano ba? Ayan, so demo. Ayan, so makikita mo na yung position mo dyan sa ilalim. Okay? Pwede mo siyang i-close. Dito sa settings, pwede mong i-adjust yung TP at SL mo. Okay? Let's save it like that. Itong plus, pang-add mo ng margin. Okay? Para lumayo yung liquidation mo. Okay? So, let's say, okay, talo na yung 6%. Pero, try natin i-close. Okay. So, ganun. Ganun lang kabilis magsarado ng trades here. So, ito yung sample trade ko kahapon. Ang kagandahan din dito sa BitYard is pwede kang mag-hedge mode. So, yung position mo pwedeng isang long, isang short. Let's say yung overall market is bearish. Pwedeng yung swing trade mo is short. Pero, may pang scalp ka na bullish. Kasi, based on pattern, next swing is pataas. Pwede mong i-maximize yung ganong opportunity. Makakapag-long ka kahit may short position ka. So, let's do that. So, let's say yan. So, okay na yan. Yan. So, nakapag-open tayo ng long. Okay? Pero meron kang times, yan. So, 10x na short. Let's say 100. And then, short. Okay? So, something like that. Isang short, isang long. So, as you can see, hindi na ako naglagay ng stop loss at take profit kasi meron na siya dito by default. But again, setting stop loss, yung entry, at yung take profit, dapat nakabase yan sa technical analysis. Okay? So, nagra-random entry lang tayo dito for demo. Okay? So, sarado na natin yan. Right, so this is the light version. Pero ipakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung sa mobile interface naman. Okay, so andito tayo ngayon sa mobile interface. Labas muna tayo dito para hindi kayo malito. Yan. Tapos dito tayo. Let's go to futures and sa light. So, andyan yung chart. Okay, andito yung leverage. Okay, so very easy lang din naman. Now, let's go to USDT perpetual. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung sa desktop. Actually, most of my viewers are using mobile. So, mas focus tayo sa mobile interface. So, ito yung chart. Ito yung order book. Ito yung ticker for isolate. Leverage. Okay. Then, ito, trading rules. Check nyo na lang. Ito, limit, market. Okay, yan. Yan, pag kailangan mo mag-transfer ng funds from spot to USDT perpetual. Okay, ito yung margin. And then long, short. As you can see, medyo parehas lang. Pero meron siya mga added features na wala sa light futures. Ano yung mga yon? One is, here sa USDT perpetual, pwede kang mag-partial TP. Sa lights, wala yon. So, kung nagpasok ka ng $100, kailangan i-pull out mo lahat pag mag-close ka ng position. So, maganda yung partial TP para, let's say, mataas yung main goal mo, yung pinaka-last TP mo. Along the way, nakakapitas-pitas ka ng TP1, TP2 para nakapag-secure ka na ng profit. Ngayon, kung hindi man tumama yung technical analysis mo ng 100%, at least, kung bumaba man, nakapag-TP ka na. Kumita ka na. By the way, pakita natin yung mobile version ng USD perpetual. Ito na pala siya. So, andito yung selection ng isolate at cross, leverage, long, short, limit, market. So, yan yung interface ng USDT perpetual sa mobile. Right. So, let's try doing a live trade. So, I have $50 here. Mag-market order lang tayo para hindi na tayo mag-antay ng best price. So, market. Okay. 20% leverage. By the way, yung leverage should be based on your own TA and your tolerance. So, demo lang naman to kaya hindi ko masyado pag-iisipan. $10. Long. Ano ba ngayon? Okay, kahit ano nga. Long or short. Let's say 20,000. Sige, short tayo. $10. Okay. Short. Okay. So, yan. So, may position na tayo na isa. At atayin na lang natin kung anong maging resulta. Here, you can adjust the leverage if you want. Pero, let's not do that. Dito, TP, pwede mong iset yung stop loss at take profit mo. And, of course, close. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na pwede ka mag-partial TP. That you can't do previously dun sa light futures. So, pwedeng mag-out ka ng 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, at 100%. Okay? Or, depende sa USDT value na gusto mo. Pwede ka mag-TP1, TP2, TP3, or SL1, SL2, SL3. Yan. So, kung gusto mo i-share yung position mo, you can click this icon. Yan. So, lalabas siya dyan. There you go. So, that's how to trade on BitYard. By the way, that's for futures. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung sa spot. So, sa spot, kunin mo lang siya. Yan. Then, select your token na gusto mong bilhin. Whatsoever. Let's say, ape. Okay. Click that. And then, sell, limit, market. Almost the same. Again, with spot, dito humahawak ka ng tokens as your assets. Sa futures or leverage it's like pumupusta ka lang. Alright, there you have it. That's how to trade on BitYard. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot in this tutorial. If meron ako hindi nabanggit na discuss, or if you have questions, let me know in the comment sections. Try ko gawa ng another content or sagutin kayo sa comment section. By the way, follow nyo na rin ako sa TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, at Twitter.